What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to create this artistic smoke portrait effect in Photoshop in just a few clicks. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. You can grab this template from the Envato Elements page linked in the video description. By signing up for Envato Elements, you get access to this particular template and thousands of additional add-ons, plugins and templates for Photoshop and other creative apps. The download process is quick and easy. Once downloaded, you'll find the file in your Downloads folder, usually compressed. On a Windows PC, right-click the zip file and choose to extract it in your Downloads folder. The process is similar on your Mac. After extracting the file, a new folder will open up containing the template file. Open the Photoshop file from the folder you've just extracted. The loading time for the project might vary depending on your computer's performance. Once you have the Photoshop interface up, you'll see this preset artistic smoke effect. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to apply this effect to your artwork with ease. To begin, head over to the Layers section in Photoshop. Your goal here is to find a specific smart object. Once you've located it, double-click to open a new tab. This tab presents a canvas with a placeholder image. For now, ignore the placeholder and focus on your artwork. Drag and drop your artwork onto the canvas. You may need to adjust it to fit the dimensions of the existing canvas. Make sure it aligns well for the best effect. After placing and adjusting your artwork, press Enter on your keyboard. Then, click on the eye icon located at the bottom right corner of the window to hide the placeholder layer. Next, press Ctrl and S to save your work and return to the previous tab. And there you have it. You'll now see a preview of your art piece, beautifully enhanced with the artistic smoke effect. Once you're happy with the changes, it's time to save your project. Head to File in the toolbar and select Save a Copy. Next, rename the file and change the file type to PNG if you're exporting an image with a transparent background, or JPEG if you keep the background. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.